Good morning, beautiful world.
How was your day?
Welcome to the Amy, Jack and Hannah show. Oh, I don't know whether you got that on camera. It was amazing. Watch the dribble. So today is a really good day. Do you know why today is a good day? Because every day is a good day.
Every day someone wakes up with pink eye.
Hannah's got pink eye.
I don't have pink eye.
So she's gonna get a tattoo of a capital I in pink.
No.
She is. It's happening. It's happening. I've got psoriasis or eczema growing on my eyes, I think, which is great fun. And we're going sandboarding today and a barbecue. So I'm thrilled, apart from I decided to get pancakes with fruit for breakfast, and it's the grossest thing I've ever eaten in my life. I mean, that might be a little bit of an exaggeration, but it's papaya. It looks amazing, but I don't know what sauce they've put on it. It says maple syrup, but it's definitely not maple syrup.
My eyes are fine.
I woke up in all of my clothes because I got drunk on 2 cocktails last night. But I feel great, so all is well.
How nice.
What a weird concept.
What?
We're in no oasis of a desert.
What's going on?
I can't breathe.
We just left the hostel to go and explore this oasis. It's honestly one of the weirdest things ever, and I don't think you're going to be able to like put it into like perspective of where we are until we go up high and show it down from below. But this is the oasis in the middle. And there's just a small town, and then obviously that is a huge friggin' sand hill. Yeah, this is where we were last night. Huacachina. How cool is this place? There's the oasis there. We are going to try and walk up a little bit more. Not heaps, the sand's really hot and it's hard.
What?
To be honest, I just want to get a bikini on and just sunbathe.
Ow.
Freaking sand is so hot. It's amazing, it's so beautiful.
Crown and then tan.
Tan. So we just got this boat. It looks like it's about to sink, I'm not gonna lie.
You need to go that side more. You're favouring this side.
And we got these tiny weeny Coronas. They're so small. It's a 207ml. Cheers.
Everyone's looking at us.
Huacachina.
We're in a fucking boat.
Well, we all just got ice cream, and you know Hannah doesn't like fruit. It's a thing that we've become to know and love. Well, she's decided to get, what was it, Hannah?
Passion fruit. Icy pole.
Passion fruit. How is it?
Passion fruity.
I got a cornetto kind of thing. And, oh, the nuts on the top. Are they?
You like nuts though?
I know, but not ice creams. And Jack got something. Oh, nuts ruin ice cream.
I remember the fade in your
Oreo milkshake back at it again. I'll let you know if it's...
Drink it quickly before it sells.
I know, it's already settling. This tripod's so screwed now. I need a spoon to stir it with. It looks really liquidy. It's really good. Try. top's really like sloppy.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
And we're off! Wonderful Wizard Box. Ridiculous. How cool is this? Oh my god! Are you excited?
I'm shitting myself.
You go first.
What?
Go first. Okay, I'll go. Okay. Wait. Where am I holding on?
Wherever you want.
Wait.
Wait, go!
I'm scared. Go on, Hannah Banana. Oh my god. She's gonna turn. Sideways. That one was horrible. That was scary. Are you crying? They've all just run down, but I just wanted to quickly show you it. It's not the best view from here, so we're gonna go down and get a camera and walk back. But oh shit, it's hard. That's how you. Just wanted you to see how much sand. Have fun! Okay, we are out of breath already, but we've gone and got beers. Jesus Lord, it's about to be sunset, so we're gonna walk up there. I don't know if you can see but the people at the top, but it's very freaking high and your feet just kind of sink, so no grip. Oh dude, look at this.
Hannah, look up.
Monsters.
Hannah.
Smashed it. space is mad. Oh. Damn. Ika. That's amazing. Oh, what a view. We're back and Hannah just lost. What are the odds to jump in the pool? So she's going to jump in the pool because she lost.
Yeah, it's probably going to be crazy if you lost, so you're
Give a person to your right a massage.
Wait, did you go or? Okay, we're playing Jenga and on the Jenga there is things you have to do.
Either.
What?
No, you can't turn it one-handed.
One hand, one hand.
Okay, vamonos. We've also got Hannah's boyfriend here as well.
Spit a rhyme.
Spit a rhyme.
Spit a rhyme.
Have a rhyme.
Yeah, you do.
Go.
My name is Jack, and for sure I ain't black. I'm drinking some shit with pisco sour, but I'll probably be on the floor within about an hour.
Yes!
That was amazing.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Dabs. Oh, do you know what
Do a
dab
dab.
is?
Times.
Is that?
Yeah.
Is that?
Dabs just dabs just like that.
It's just so awful.
Dip your
It's so
foot
bad.
into the pool.
Oh.
You
No,
can't.
one hand,
One hand.
It's the wiggle twist.
She's
Shake it,
going.
go.
Nah, there's no way. Back it up there. Back
No,
it up
no,
there.
don't back out.
Committed. You can't back out.
Try and push the top of it.
Right.
Dance on the bar. Dance on the bar.
You gotta do it.